So in this video, I will show you how to add shadow to shapes in CapCut. So now as you can see, now I have this cycle shape. If I want to add shadow to this shape, all you have to do, select the shape, go to text, go to basic, scroll to down. If you scroll to down under the basic, so here is it now, shadow. Check on this shadow. So from there it will give you this. Click on the arrow beside. So now scroll to down, click on the color button. So now change the color. So I choose red. So now scroll to down again. So now take this distance to back. So as you can see now, after you take the distance to 0, so now change the blurriness like this. So if you decrease the blurriness, so now as you can see now I get a shadow behind my text. So if you want to change the color, click on this option to change the color. You can choose like blue. I want to go ahead now and choose this blue. So if I want to like change the blurriness, I'll just take this one to back, or if I want to increase, I'll just take it to this side like this. So that's it to add shadow to shapes in CapCut. Be sure to like and subscribe if this video helps you out.